Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 17 perimeter and area in that exercise 17D. So next question, 7th one. A tablecloth is 1.5 meter by 1 meter. It is bordered with lace of uniform width of 15 centimeter. Find the area of the border. So tablecloth is 1.5 meter by 1 meter. That means it is in rectangular shape and its length is 1.5 meter and the breadth is 1 meter. Okay, so let us draw a rough diagram. Let this be the tablecloth. Okay, its length is given 1.5 meter and the width is given 1 meter. Okay, now it is bordered with a lace of uniform width. So bordered means it will be outside this tablecloth. Okay, it is bordered with a lace of uniform width. Its width. This is lace. This thing is lace. Okay, this is the border of the tablecloth. That is its lace. Okay, now its width is given 15 centimeter. That is this width. This distance it is given 15 centimeter. Okay, you have to find the area of the border. That is the area of the shaded region. Area of lace you have to find. Okay, now you can see here this width is given in centimeter. Length and width of the tablecloth it is given in meter. So you have to make the unit same first. So let us convert this 15 centimeter to meter. Okay, so what you will get 15 centimeter. How can you convert to meter? Just divide by 100. So 15 by 100 what you will get 0.15 meter it is. Okay, so in place of 15 centimeter what you can give 0.15 meter. Okay, now you can find. How can you find the area of border here? Area of border you can find by subtracting area of outer rectangle. From the area of outer rectangle you can subtract the area of inner rectangle. Okay, then you will get the area of this border or lace. Okay, ഈ outer rectangle ഏതൊക്കെ area actually include ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്? Area of this inner rectangle വരുന്നുണ്ട്, area of this shaded region വരുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, അതാണ് total area of outer rectangle. Outer rectangle ഏരിയയിൽ ഈ inner rectangle ഏരിയയും പിന്നെ ഈ ബോർഡറിന്റെ ഏരിയയും ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ആവുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ബോർഡറിന്റെ ഏരിയ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഔട്ടർ റെക്ടാങ്കിളിന് ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ഇന്നർ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് ദ ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ബോർഡർ. ഓക്കെ, ഏരിയ ഓഫ് ബോർഡർ ഈക്വൽ ടു area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Okay, now how can you find the area of outer rectangle? Area of outer rectangle, it is rectangle, so formula it is L into B. So we need a length of outer rectangle and a breadth of outer rectangle. Okay, now how can you find the length of outer rectangle? Here length of inner rectangle and the breadth of inner rectangle is given. Okay, you can extend this length to both sides. So you will get this distance. Okay, now this distance is equal to the length of outer rectangle. Okay, so if you know this distance means that will be equal to the length of outer rectangle. Okay, so from here, from this point to this point, that is length of inner rectangle it is 1.5 meter. Okay, so that will be equal to this distance. From this point to this point it will be 1.5 meter. Okay, now this is width of the path. Okay, so it is given 15 centimeter that we converted to meter, that is 0.15 meter. So this is 0.15 meter. This is also 0.15 meter. Okay, so if this length is 0.15, this length will be 0.15 meter. Here this is also 0.15 meter. Okay, now you can find the length of outer rectangle by adding 0.15 plus 1.5 plus 0.15. Okay, so length of outer rectangle it is 1.5 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. On adding, what you will get? 1.5, 0.15, 0.15. You will get a 1.80. That is 1.8 meter you can take. Okay, so this is the length of outer rectangle. Similarly, you can find the breadth of outer rectangle. Okay. Now here breadth of inner rectangle it is given 1 meter. So if you extend this breadth to both sides, you will get this length. Okay. This length is equal to the breadth of outer rectangle. Okay. So you can find this length. What is the measurement you can find? Okay, width it is given 1 meter, width of path it is 0.15 meter. So this is 0.15 meter. This is also 0.15 meter, this length. Okay, so this length will be equal to this length, that is 0.15 meter, and up the width up to this you can find. So from this point to this point it is 1 meter. Okay, it is equal to the breadth of the inner rectangle. Okay, this from this point to this point length. Okay, next again this small portion it is 0.15 meter. Now you can add 0.15 meter plus 1 meter plus 0.15 meter. You will get the breadth of outer rectangle. Okay, so breadth of outer rectangle it is 1 meter plus 0.15 meter plus 0.15. Okay, so what you will get on adding? It will be 1 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. You will get 1.30. Okay, that is 1.3 meter you can take. So you got length and breadth of outer rectangle. You can find the area of outer rectangle now. Area of outer rectangle it is L into B, rectangle formula. Area of rectangle formula. So 1.8 into 1.3. What you will get? 2.34 unit will be meter square. Okay, this is the area of outer rectangle. Okay, next you can find the area of inner rectangle. Area of inner rectangle. Formula it is L into B, and length of inner rectangle it is given 1 meter. Okay, length it is given 1.5 meter and width it is 1 meter. Okay, so 1.5 into 1. What you will get? It is 1.5 meter square. Okay, now you can find the area of border. It is area of outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. Area of outer rectangle we got 2.34 meter square. That minus area of inner rectangle it is 1.5 meter square. Okay, so 2.34 minus 1.5 you can find now. Okay, you will get 0.84. So 0.84 meter square. This is the area of border. Okay. 8th question. A carpet is placed in a room leaving a border of 1 meter wide all around the room. If the room is 14 meter long and 10 meter wide, find the area uncovered by the carpet. So what does the question says? ഒരു റൂമില് കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇടാണ്. സോ നമുക്കറിയാം റൂമിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഫ്ലോറിലായിരിക്കും കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇടുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ റൂം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ ഷേപ്പായിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാം. സോ ഔട്ടർ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് റൂം. ഓക്കെ, നൗ റൂമിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിലാണ് നമ്മൾ കാർപ്പറ്റ്, ഉള്ളിൽ ഫ്ലോറിലാണ് കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇടുക. സോ ഇൻസൈഡ് റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി കാർപ്പറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ ഡയഗ്രത്തിൽ ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് റൂം ആൻഡ് റൂമിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇട്ടിരിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, യു ക്യാൻ സീ ഫ്രം ദ ഡയഗ്രാം. Now around this carpet there is 1 meter width. Okay, border of 1 meter width. ഈ കാർപ്പറ്റിന് ചുറ്റും 1 meter width 1 meter ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ വിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, റൂമിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ആ ഫ്ലോറിൽ 1 meter ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ ചുറ്റും വിട്ടിട്ട് മിഡിലായിട്ടാണ് കാർപ്പറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, what you need to find here, if the room is 14 meter long and 10 meter wide, find the area uncovered by the carpet. Room's length and width it is given 14 meter and 10 meter. You have to find the area uncovered by the carpet. So carpet idatha ee area, okay, that you need to find here. Okay, so how can you find the area uncovered by the carpet? Area of room minus area of carpet. Area of room means area of this full rectangle, outer rectangle. Okay, minus area of inner rectangle, that is area of carpet. Okay, so you can find area uncovered by the carpet. It is area of room minus area of carpet. Okay, so area of room, you can find its length and width, breadth or width it is given in the question. Okay, 14 meter and 10 meter. So area of room is 14 into 10. You will get 140 meter square. Okay, now area of carpet you need to find. Before that, its length and width you need to find. Okay, length of carpet. So here length of carpet means this length you need to find. Okay, this is the length of carpet. So if you extend the length of carpet on both sides, you will get this distance. Okay, and this distance is equal to the length of outer rectangle or length of room. Okay, ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും 14 meter. Now up to this distance is 1 meter and this distance is also 1 meter. Width of border. Okay, carpet ഇട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് 1 meter ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് വിട്ടിട്ടാണ്, 1 meter border വിട്ടിട്ടാണ് കാർപ്പറ്റ് റൂമിൽ ഇട്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. So this is 1 meter, this is also 1 meter. So remaining distance, how can you find? This full length is 14 meter. ഈ ഫുൾ ലെങ്ത് 14 meter ആണ്. അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഈ 1 meterും ഈ 1 meterും നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ we will get the length of carpet. Okay, so length of carpet it is 14 minus 1 minus 1. So 14 minus 1, 13 minus 1, you will get 12 meter. Okay, similarly you can find the breadth of carpet. Okay, so breadth, this if you extend the breadth to both sides, you will get this length, and this length is equal to the width of the room, that is 10 meter. Okay, this full length from this point to this point, the distance or length it is 10 meter. Now in that, this distance is 1 meter, that is the border. Okay, this is also 1 meter. So how can you find the breadth? That is from this point to this point, the distance, how can you find? You can subtract from 10 meter, you can subtract this 1 meter and this 1 meter. Okay, you will get the breadth or width of the carpet. Okay, ഈ full length എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10 meter ആണ്. 10 meter നിന്ന് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു 1 meter, 1 meterും here, from here 1 meter you can subtract. Okay, so remaining is the breadth of the carpet. So this distance will be 10 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so breadth of carpet, it will be 10 minus 1 minus 1, you will get 8 meter. Now you can find the area of carpet. Okay, it is L into B formula. Now length it is 10 meter, 12 meter we got. Okay, 12 into breadth it is 8 meter. So 12 into 8, what you will get? It is 96. Okay, 96 meter square is the area of carpet. Okay, now you can find the area uncovered by carpet. Area uncovered by carpet, it is area of room minus area of carpet. Okay, so area of room, what you got? It is 140 meter square minus area of carpet you got 96. Okay, now you can subtract 140 minus 96. What you will get? It is 4 here, 4 here. 44 meter square. This is the area uncovered by the carpet. Okay. Now 10th question. Arnav and Akash go for jogging every morning. Arnav jogs around a square park of side 95 meter twice, while Akash jogs around a rectangular park of length 90 meter and width 85 meter twice. Okay. Find who covers greater distance and by how much. So here Arnav and Akash go for jogging every morning. Arnav goes around a square park. Okay. Which is side, whose side is 95 meter. And he jogs around the square park 2 times. Okay, 2 times he will jog around the square park. Similarly, Akash jogs around a rectangular park whose length is 90 meter and width is 85 meter. He also jogs around this rectangular park 2 times. Okay, find who covers greater distance and by how much. So here what you need to find, area or perimeter, that you should know first. Okay, that you should understand from the question. ഇവിടെ സ്ക്വയർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും 2 ടൈംസ് ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നു, അതേപോലെ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും 2 ടൈംസ് ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. സോ ഹിയർ ദ കോൺസെപ്റ്റ് ഈസ് പെരിമീറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, എറൗണ്ട് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. സോ പെരിമീറ്റർ ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ആൻഡ് വി നോ പെരിമീറ്റർ ഇസ് ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദി ബോർഡർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ around distance you have to find. So the concept is perimeter, not area. Okay, now let us take Arnav's case. Arnav is jogging around a square park of side 95 meter 2 times. Okay, twice he is jogging, that is twice means it is 2 times. 2 times he is jogging around the square park. Okay, you have to find the distance covered by him. So, in order to find the distance, first you have to find the perimeter of square park. Perimeter of square, formula you know, 4 into side. That is 4 into side, here it is 95 meter, 4 into 95, you will get 380 meter. This is the perimeter of square park. So distance he will cover if he jogs 1 time around the square field, it is equal to its perimeter 380 meter. 1 time ഈ സ്ക്വയർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അർണവ് കവർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്തിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? പെരിമീറ്ററിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അർണവ് covers in 1 round. In 1 round around the square field, around the square park, it is equal to the perimeter, that is 380 meter. Therefore, distance he cover, he jogs around the square park 2 times. How can you find? In 1 round he will cover 380 meter. So in 2 rounds he will cover 380 into 2. Okay, so distance he covers in 2 rounds around this square park. It will be 380 into 2. Okay, now 38 into 2 you will get 76. So 760 meter he will cover in 2 rounds. Okay, if he jogs around the square field twice, he will cover a distance equal to 760 meter. Okay, 1 time അയാൾ ഈ സ്ക്വയർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പെരിമീറ്ററിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് കവർ ചെയ്യുക, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് 380 മീറ്റർ. അപ്പോൾ 2 ടൈംസ് അയാൾ സ്ക്വയർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അയാൾ പെരിമീറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു 2, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് 760 മീറ്റർ. Okay, this is the distance covered by Arnav. Next, let us take Agash's case. Agash jogs around a rectangular park whose length is 90 meter and the width is 85 meter. Okay, and he jogs around this rectangular park 2 times. That is twice it is given in the question. Okay, so he jogs around this rectangular park 2 times. Okay, so in order to find the distance covered by Agash, if he jogs around this rectangular park 2 times, what you need to find first? Perimeter of rectangular park. Okay, perimeter of rectangle formula you know, 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into length is given 90 meter plus breadth is given 85 meter. So 2 into 90 plus 85. What you will get? 2 into 175. That is 2 into 175. You will get 350 meter. So perimeter of rectangular park is 350 meter. So what will be the distance Agash cover in one round around the rectangular parks? It will be equal to the perimeter. That is 350 meter. ഓക്കെ ആകാശ് ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ പാർക്കിന് ചുറ്റും ഒരു റൗണ്ട് ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കവർ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ പാർക്കിന്റെ പെരിമീറ്ററിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, 1 റൗണ്ട് ജോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പെരിമീറ്ററിനോട് ഈക്വൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും കവർ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് കവേഴ്സ് Agash covers in 1 round around the rectangular park. It is equal to perimeter, that is 350 meter. So in 1 round he covers 350 meter. So he is jogging 2 times around the rectangular field. Okay, so what is the distance Agash covers in 2 rounds around the rectangular park? It will be 2 into 350. Okay, 1 round 350 meter distance ആണ് cover ചെയ്യുന്നെങ്കിൽ 2 rounds 2 into 350. You will get 700 meter. Okay, so this is the distance covered by Agash if he jogs twice around the rectangular park. Okay, now who covers more distance, Agash or Arnav? Arnav covers 760 meter and Agash covers 700 meter. So Arnav covers more distance. Okay, more distance, and by how much? How can you find by how much Arnav covers more distance? Just subtract Arnav's distance minus Agash's distance. That is 700 minus 70. You will get a 60 meter. Okay, so Arnav covers more distance by 60 meter. Okay, Arnav ആകാശിനേക്കാൾ 60 meter distance കൂടുതൽ cover ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Okay, so this much for this class, and exercise 17, the 9th question you can do as homework. Okay, now next class onwards, I mean Monday onwards, Meenu miss will take class for you. Okay, so thank you children. Bye.